Okay, now what if God had purposes even around the hard moments? You and I know that. We know that. Here, the enemy's trying to get you to doubt God, to doubt you, to doubt the very word, the very breath, the very experience that some of you have already had. And yet this framework of scripture tells us, let the perseverance, right? When these trials come and the testing of your faith, the testing of your belief, nothing wrong with that, but let it actually be tested because it's going to produce perseverance that will help you be mature and complete. So if you lack wisdom, if you lack yada, an encounter, an experience, not understanding who God is in that area, what does it tell us to do? It doesn't tell us to go, well, it's not, well, that's just the way God is. Well, that's just the way I am. Well, that's just the way the world works. Well, that's literally not what scripture says. It says, if you lack that wisdom, you should ask God. You should lean into the knowledge of God. You should call upon heaven like your life depends on it. You should dive into the word. You should look around the people in the room with you right here and go, I don't know this part of God. I don't know this side of God. I don't know him as my comforter. Let us in unity, in our faith, surround you and share our encounter with you.